Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today it means August 17, 2022. We have taken two trades and one is from metal sector and second one is from pharma sector. So the trade which we have taken in the metal sector is Hindalco. So Hindalco, yeah. So our trade got executed around 9:41 a.m. 9:41. 41. So 40. So in this candle, our trade got executed. Yeah, our entry price was at 429.50. So stop loss I have kept at 431. Yeah, entry was at 429.50. Stop loss was at 431. So it hit my stop loss and it continued its rally. And second stock is from pharma sector. So the trade which I have taken is SUNPHARMA. Yeah. So this is the stock which I have taken the trade from pharma sector. So my entry price was at 919. So it was around 12:17 p.m. 12:17. Yeah. So in this candle, in this candle, 12:17 p.m. So in this candle, trade got executed. So I have kept the stop loss as 917 below of this candle and entry was at 919. Yeah, so you can see, so it went till 9 to 6. So I exited at 9 to 3 in this candle. I have exited my position. So the reason for not exiting after this is because here you can see, so in the 15 minutes candle it was very bullish, so I thought it would continue its rally. Yeah, so because of which I did not exit at this candle. So I have waited as pharma was in uh, bullish zone. Yeah, I waited that it might continue its rally, but yeah, I exited around 9 to 3. Yeah, entry was at 919, exit was at 9 to 3, and stop loss was at 917. 917. 917 stop loss, 919 entry, and somewhere here in this candle around 9 to 3 exact to say. So I exited at 923.10. In this candle I have exited my position. Yeah, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video.